Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to use this product right here. This is actually the Wagner Flexio 2000 paint sprayer, and this will be a full tutorial showing you how to use this specific paint sprayer right here. Once again, the Wagner Flexio 2000. Let's get right into the video. Now, first and foremost, you're going to want to make sure that it is indeed plugged in. So make sure that your paint sprayer is plugged in because it does require electrical power in order to make it work. Now, basically, once it's assembled and once you have your paint in here and once you have everything that you need, essentially all that you need to do to use it, and I'll go more in depth momentarily, so don't go away, but all that you need to do to use it is push this button right here. When you push this button right here, it's going to spray the paint, okay? And just for full clarity, as you can see right there, just for full clarity, it's water in here. I actually just rinsed it out, so the water is just a little bit discolored, but it is just water in here. There might have been 1 or 2 drops of paint that were left in there. That's why it's a little discolored, but it is just water. So essentially, you want to just push the button, and as you can see, it's spraying. Now, with regards to the various controls that you can adjust, I'm going to angle this downwards and show you what I'm talking about. So on the top here, there's this dial. This controls how much air pressure comes out of the paint sprayer. So if I put it on low, it's going to be a low amount of pressure. You'll hear that it's much quieter. Okay, if I put it on high, much more air pressure. Just like that. And you can obviously be in the middle as well. Very, very simple, okay? So you can adjust the dial to be the amount of air pressure that you want, okay? Now this lever over here controls how much material comes out, like how much paint or stain will come out of the sprayer. So right now it's at the highest number, which is 12, right? So this is 12 right here, so it was at 11. This is 12. So the most material would come out right now, okay? Now if I was to put it at a lower number, all the way down to, let's say 1, okay? Very simple. If it was at 1, at the lowest number, much less material would come out. So there's you can see the difference on camera, right? There's very little coming out now. Very, very little material coming out now. So those are the two main adjustments. Now, up here controls the width of your spray. So right now it's on a wider spray. Let me, do I have enough water in here? Yeah, I have enough to continue. It's on a wider spray. So let's go ahead and let's put it on high speed, high air pressure. It's on the widest spray right now, okay? But what you can do is you can make it a thinner spray pattern, and it's much thinner. The material that's coming out is much thinner now. So this right here controls your spray width over here, wider and more narrow. Very, very simple. On the front here, there's the nozzle, okay? You can see right now it is spraying a vertical line, okay? You can turn it so that it can spray horizontally. It's very, very simple and straightforward. You know, you literally just turn it and it sprays in a different pattern. Vertical, horizontal, completely up to you. Very, very easy. And I am actually running out of water in there, so I do apologize. But essentially, that is basically how to use it with regards to the different things. Before I end this, let me show you how I just unplugged it, just so you know it's fully unplugged. Let me show you how to disconnect it. So essentially, there's a little bit of like a notch over here. And basically, sorry, there's ants crawling all over me. I'm just kind of shooing them off my legs throughout the video. There's a little notch right here. If I press down on this notch and I rotate this, I can actually remove this just like that, okay? If you want to put it back in place, you simply rotate it towards that bottom piece. You're rotating it towards the bottom piece. And make sure your lever is out of the way, is clear and out of the way. Rotate it towards the bottom piece like this, and it's in place, just like that. Very, very simple and straightforward, really, really easy to do, okay? And lastly, if you want to remove the sort of like the canister here, you just twist it counterclockwise like that. There's a little bit of air pressure in there. I got to clean that, like I said. Twist it counterclockwise. There's your intake pipe as well. And then to put it back in place, you just push it upwards towards the sprayer and twist it clockwise. Yeah, and that's basically it. That is how to use the Wagner Flexio 2000 paint sprayer. It's actually a really, really awesome tool, fantastic to use. Yeah, and I just wanted to show you how to use it in this full tutorial. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.